Hello everyone, and welcome to this session of Sensors and Actuators, ENGR 5520, formerly E552. So we'll be learning about sensors and actuators this semester, and this is a course that's part of the core for the mechatronics concentration, whether you're a mechanical or an electrical engineer. So the purpose of this little video clip is to welcome you and to point out some important things that you need to know this first week of class. First of all, it's going to be very important for you to review the syllabus on your own. We're not going to take time to go through the syllabus in detail, so I would ask you to review the syllabus. I will provide time for any questions regarding the clarity of the syllabus, and I will provide a hard copy of the final version in class. You should also review any university policies that I've pointed out. If you look in this folder on the course website, you'll see links to various policies that you're responsible for understanding and being aware of. There's going to be also a video clip with some introductory content, and these three areas, the syllabus, university policies, and the introductory content, will be the material that will be covered on Quiz 1, which will come online sometime during the first week of class, and which will be due at the beginning of the second week. So please, it's important that you do this on your own. We're not going to spend time in it in class except for any questions of clarification. Let me tell you a little bit about the format of the class. It's going to be a little different than what many of you may be used to. I'm very committed to a concept called active learning. All of the educational research shows that if you are, as a student, actively engaged in the learning process rather than passively sitting and writing down everything the instructor says, you are much more likely to really master the content. So I am committed to making this a good learning experience for you and making the most of it. So I want you to promote active engagement with the course concepts. This course will provide a blend of online and face-to-face instruction. So you see this video as part of the online instruction. This allows more time in class for me to give guidance to you while you're actively solving a problem. Okay? It also provides time for us to do some laboratory activities because this is not a 4-credit class. We don't have a separate laboratory section, so we need to make time. I don't want to add the lab on to your already busy schedule, so there are some days that we'll be actually in the lab doing LabVIEW activities. So you've heard me mention LabVIEW. Let me just make the announcement verbally that on Wednesday, September 9th, there's a special session where Dr. Mohan is doing a LabVIEW introduction at 2:00 p.m. in E360. If you did your undergraduate mechanical degree here, you might already know a fair amount of what he's going to go over. So it's optional for those of you who already are proficient in LabVIEW, but for those who are not, I highly recommend it. Otherwise you're going to be a little bit behind from the get-go. But there are also some other tutorials on LabVIEW as well. So let me just make that announcement. And again, welcome to the class.